Good day, Mama, sir. My name is Rio Desclaros Paquin, 37 years old. I'm living in Los Matalon, Liti, Philippines. I am a single mother of my two kids. One 13 years old, my daughter, and 10 years old, my son. I am a college level of my course of Bachelor of Science of Education. I had working experience here in Kuwait for almost 5 years. I'm serving 4 members in the family. One couple, and there are 9 years old and 5 years old. My main duties are taking care of their children. I preparing the foods, clothes, and school uniform. I'm doing tiki bath and toothbrush every day, and bringing them to school. And I teach them how to write and reading. My household chores are cleaning the house, wash the clothes, ironing, and wash the dishes. And also, I know how to cook the Arabic food. And I'm marketing our daily needs and budgeting because my mom and sir was busy in our daily jobs. To my future employer, I hope you hire me, and I promise I will doing my best inside your house, and I will follow your rules and regulations inside your house. Good day, Mama, sir, and God bless.